The procedure I had done with Dr. Bain was a breast lift and breast reduction surgery. Before I had my procedure, I didn't honestly have an opinion about plastic surgery, one way or the other. My girlfriends and I used to joke about it, saying, you know, why not? When you need something later on, just go ahead and do it. So I didn't think I'd ever need the procedure that I had, but I never had a negative opinion towards plastic surgery. I had a friend that had breast implants done a couple of years ago and looked great. And I always thought about, what if one day, you know, I could wear cute little tank tops like she did and a little bikini, and, you know, it wasn't really on my radar until about a year ago. I found Dr. Bain through a physician friend of mine, and a girlfriend of mine that had the breast implant surgery also had it done through Dr. Bain and had very positive things to say. So I had a consultation with Dr. Bain and a consultation with 2 other plastic surgeons up in LA, and hands down, Dr. Bain was the person I knew I was going to go with. I had been thinking about it for about 5 years since I had my second daughter, and I had put on X-ray with her and nursed and took off all of the weight, but my breasts never changed in size. At the time of pregnancy, I was a 34D, and at the end of my pregnancy, I was a 34G, and they were just honestly always too big for my body, and I was very self-conscious about it. The surgery itself and how it affected me day by day is I felt like I had 10 pounds lifted off of my shoulders. I can wear clothes that I wasn't able to wear before. I feel like I can stand up taller. I'm more confident and just feel like my body is more proportioned now. And I'm thrilled to death with the results and really glad that I did it. I received unbelievable follow-up care. I had no idea that Dr. Bain and his staff, Jessica, were going to be so warm and welcoming and sincere and just compassionate, and they were just really wanting me to have the best outcome possible, and were very conscious of how I was doing on a day-to-day basis. After I had my procedure, it gave me more confidence, and I felt like I stood taller. I could wear clothes that I hadn't worn before. I felt lighter. I felt honestly like I had about 10 pounds lifted off my shoulders afterwards. So now I can wear a sports bra and feel more comfortable and feel like I have more energy and I'm not weighted down to go running or to, you know, lift weights or do a treadmill. So I'm definitely much more confident now working out. I couldn't be happier with my final results. I'm thrilled, and I tell Dr. Bain every time I see him, I couldn't be happier. Glad I did it and love the results. I would hands down recommend Dr. Bain and his staff to anybody. In fact, one of my very good friends had a similar procedure to mine as well as some other things done, and she couldn't be happier. And she didn't see anyone else but him and knew that day that I think she scheduled her surgery the same day of her consultation. So I would definitely recommend Dr. Bain and his staff.